Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share and send location on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp app on your phone and you will find this kind of interface, right? Now from this section, you simply need to go ahead and tap on a chat where you would like to send your location or you would like to share your location simply. So let's go. This is the person. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and tap on this plus icon and tap on this location. And then from the section, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead, tap on the share a live location, and you can choose 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hour according to your requirement. And you can simply go ahead and tap on the send button, and there you go, your location has been shared for that time being, and that's all it takes for you to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.